Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to join private servers in Roblox Account Manager. Roblox Account Manager lets you manage multiple Roblox accounts from one place, making it easier to join games, switch between accounts, and access private servers without signing in and out repeatedly. Before you begin, make sure Roblox Account Manager is installed on your PC and that you've already added your Roblox accounts to the application. Now let's get started. First, open Roblox Account Manager on your computer. Make sure the Roblox account you want to use has already been added and is signed in. Now find the private server link or private server invite you want to join. Copy the private server link if you haven't already. Go back to Roblox Account Manager. Select the Roblox account that you want to use for the private server. Now paste the private server link into the appropriate join server or join place option, depending on the version of Roblox Account Manager you're using. Then click Join to launch Roblox with the selected account. Wait for Roblox Player to open and connect to the private server. If the server requires an invitation, make sure your selected Roblox account has permission to join before launching the game. If you're unable to join, check that the private server link is still active, verify that your account has been invited, and make sure you're using the latest version of Roblox Account Manager. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.